Want to showcase and manage your growing NFT collection? In this video, I'll show you how to view and organize your NFTs in the Crypto.com app. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your NFT collection is your digital gallery, and Crypto.com provides elegant ways to view and manage your assets. To view your collection, tap on the NFT tab in the bottom navigation of the app. Here you'll see all your NFTs in a clean, gallery-style layout. You can filter your collection by blockchain, collection name, or recently acquired items. Tap on any NFT to view its details, transaction history, and properties. The interface also shows current market data like floor prices for collections, helping you track the value of your holdings over time. A crucial pro tip: use the sorting and filtering features to organize your collection by value, rarity, or acquisition date. For valuable collections, consider using the full-screen view to truly appreciate the artwork and details of each piece. And just like that, you're curating your personal digital museum. Viewing your NFT collection is both practical management and an enjoyable display of your digital assets. How do you organize your NFT collection? By value, artist, or personal preference? Let me know in the comments. For cross-platform access, watch our next video on how to link Crypto.com to OpenSea. Thanks for watching.